So
Recording is stopped.
recording is already on progress. Allow Teacher Jermaine and TIS to do the recording for our session this afternoon. So time check, it's already 6:05 in the evening. So we still have to wait for the NTT kids, okay? Because this class with this schedule is, is allotted for them. But thankfully, everyone, not everyone, but some of you are still here with me this afternoon. So we will not be using the blue book today, but I'll be having another activity. So we will be using the K5 learning worksheets together with
Do
the
it.
NTT kids. So let's wait for them for a while because they're not yet here. Even one of them is not yet around. Will that be okay? Oh, Teacher Ella is already here. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Maybe for 2 minutes or a minute for them. Okay, only Teacher Ella is still here. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Okay, girls,
Evening,
are you
Miss
only use hello? Are you
Germany.
only using Teacher Ella's account, girls? Only one account for you today?
Yes, teacher, but some of the students is still connecting the Zoom.
Oh, it's okay. Maybe I'll have to wait. We'll have to wait for 1 more minute, okay? So
Okay,
that
teacher.
other, yes, your other classmates can join. Wow, your connection is good because your voice is not lagging. Okay, 13 participants now. Okay, Catherine and Katrina are also here. Joy, Queenie, Shatia, Rayhan, and Grace, Mark, and Shalene. How's my voice, Mark? Is it okay? Is
Very
it
okay.
clear?
Just like normal.
Okay. Okay. So I guess we need to start. I hope the other girls and the girls and boys of NTT can join us later on. So last time we have discussed on the use of nouns in sentences, or we discuss about nouns. So we talk about that nouns are names of persons, places, animals, and things. So we will be having that activity now. Okay. I haven't prepared it yet. Let me check first if I have downloaded the file. Okay. Mm-hmm. So let me share my screen. No, not yet. Am I already sharing my screen? You can see it. Can you see it now?
Yes, I can see it.
Yes. How about you, Queenie? Can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we have another account now. Tiara Moy is already here. Okay, let me check. How many are you using that account? So we will be having first this activity. Um, so you have it here. Nouns are person, a place, or a thing. A name of a person, a place, or a thing. So we have here sentences. You're going to identify what are the nouns in it. Okay? Let us identify the nouns in the sentences. Okay, Queenie, can I start with you with the first sentence? Queenie. Okay, can I talk to Greece? If not Queenie, Greece.
Yes, miss.
Okay, I want you to read sentence number one.
Okay, miss.
Sentence.
My family likes to go to the zoo.
Yes. Can you please give us what are the nouns in the sentence, Greece?
Mm, the family.
Yes, what's the first one?
The family, miss.
Okay. Without the word my, the first noun here is family. What else?
And
Do we only have family as the noun in the sentence? Greece?
zoo.
Yes.
The zoo.
Yes, very good. Zoo is a name of is it a person, a place, or a thing? Greece? Zoo. It is
Is
is it a person, a place, or a thing? Greece?
the person.
A zoo is a person?
It's one.
Mm-hmm. A zoo is an example of a place. A family that is referring to people. I mean to person. So we have two nouns in that sentence. So we have family and we also have zoo. Everyone, kids and girls, how do we write a sentence? What happens with capital letter M? I mean, what happens to letter M in here? It is written in capital letter. Why should we write it in capital letter? Why are we going to write it in capital letter M? Orlando?
Yes.
Yes. So anyone would like to answer? Why are we going to use a capital letter M for that sentence? For my family.
Mm,
Because was that one?
maybe because my is the first sentence is the first word in the sentence.
Okay. It is the first word in the sentence. That's why we should start it in capital letter. And the last part, how do we call this? Rayhan, how do we call this? Hello? Rayhan, how do we call this punctuation mark? It is a...
It's a dot.
Rayhan,
Yeah, yes, miss.
yes, how do you call that punctuation mark?
A dot.
Mark, you're not cold.
Hmm?
Mark, is that how you should react? Or is that how you should act during classes?
I
You
want
used to be
to
like
say
that most
it's a
of the
dot.
time, but you were not cold. One thing that teachers must impose or must teach to kids is the good, good, good values. What you're showing is not a good attitude. You keep on doing that one during classes, and it's not that good. Not that good. It's not even good. And you should not act that way. Not only you, but everyone should not act that way. I hope you understand it. So let's go back. So my family likes to go to the zoo. So what do we have here at the last part is what we call a period. So a period is used for sentences, for declarative, imperative sentences. And then when are you going to use it? If you are, okay, if you are stating, so a mere sentence, not a mere sentence. If it's a statement, you use a period. Okay, so let's move to the next sentence. Can I call? Okay, can I have Orlando for the next sentence? Orlando,
Yes, miss.
yes. Second sentence, please.
I like to curl up on
No,
the
no, the first
sofa
one.
and this chocolate, this chocolate cakes is delicious.
Yes, very good. Orlando, could you please tell us what are the nouns in the sentence?
Chocolate
What do you think?
cakes and delicious.
Delicious. Um, you're right. Chocolate is a noun. Do you think delicious is also a noun?
No, no, no. Cake.
Delicious is an example of an adjective. Okay?
Okay.
Again, delicious is an example of adjective. And what are adjectives? Those adjectives are describing words. The word delicious is an adjective describing the chocolate cake. Okay? So our noun first, the second sentence is our noun here is chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Delicious here, not, this is not a noun, but this is an adjective describing the chocolate cake. So, Albie, so in the chat box, I will be writing the word adjective. So, so you have it there, adjective or adjectives. These are describing words. So what are describing words? Example, delicious, happy. If I say Mark is happy, the noun is Mark, happy is the adjective. Adjective describing Mark. Or happy is an adjective that it describes Mark. Okay, thank you, Orlando. Next sentence. Let's move now to Queenie. I hope you can open your microphone now, Queenie. Queenie.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, read the next sentence, Queenie.
I like to cheer up on the sofa and read books.
Okay, Queenie, let's read it again. Let's read it again.
I like to cheer up on the
Curl up.
sofa and read books.
Okay, so what do you think are the nouns in that sentence? What do you
Cheer
think
up,
are the nouns in the sentence?
cheer up, cheer
Yes, we
up.
have sofa. What else?
Sofa and books.
Very good. We have sofa and books. So that is correct. Thank you. Thank you, Queenie.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay. Doing good, Queenie. Let's move to the next. Joy, you're raising your hand, Joy.
Yeah, I wanna ask, can I go to the toilet?
Oh, yes.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay. Next sentence. Let's call now the entity kids. Girls. Girls. Hello. Entity kids, hello. The one using teacher Ella's account. Hello. Girls.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. Please read the next sentences. The next sentence, girls.
Mom and Dad are going out for dinner.
Yes, very good. How about you give teacher you give teacher the nouns you can find in the sentence.
The nouns is Mom and Dad.
Okay, there are two, so you say the nouns are. Come again. The
The
nouns.
nouns, yes, teacher. The nouns
The
are
nouns are.
Mom and Dad.
Very good. So you have
Mom
mom
and
and
Dad.
very good. Okay, another one, another girl now. Entity kids, still you, please. Again, read now.
Cows
Girls,
like to
cows.
eat grass.
Very good. What are the nouns? What are the nouns we have?
The nouns are cows and
Yes, we have cows
grass.
and we have cows and grass,
And grass.
right?
The nouns are
Okay. You're right now, girls. We have cows and grass. Thank you, girls. I'll be back with you later. Okay, Chalene, are you ready to read, Chalene? Next one, Chalene.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Chalene. Okay, please read the next sentence, Chalene. Okay, did. Okay. If not, Chalene, can I go to Jennifer? Jennifer.
Okay, miss.
Mm,
Did that wash the car?
Okay. What are the nouns, Jennifer?
The nouns are that and car.
Very good. Okay, nouns are dad and car. Jennifer, continue with the next sentence, please.
Okay, miss. Babies cry a lot.
Yes. The noun.
The noun is babies.
Yes, we only have babies. That's only one. Okay, Jennifer is right. She said the noun is because it's only one. If there are many, you say the nouns are. Yes. Thank you, Jennifer.
You're welcome, miss.
So I still have another set here. Okay, still the same thing that we are going to do. We are going to identify the nouns from the sentence. Girls, NTT kids, are you ready again to read? Girls? Girls? Let's wait for them because they hung up. Girls? Oh, their connection maybe is not good. Chitya, are you okay now?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Ready to read the first sentence?
Okay, teacher.
Go now.
The fireman rescued the cat from the tree.
Come again. Read again.
The fireman rescued the cat from the tree.
Yes. We have many nouns in that sentence. What do you think are those?
Is tree?
kucingnya matanya
Yes. Cynthia, first we have.
Tree?
Come again. Okay, you have three. That's very good. What else?
Cat?
Okay, we also have the noun cat. Is that all?
Fireman?
And we also have fireman. Very good, Shitya. I want you to read now. What are the nouns in the sentence?
Fireman, cat, and tree.
Very, very good. Thank you, Shitya.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's move now to the next sentence. Letitia.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, are you ready, Letitia, for the next sentence?
Yeah.
Okay, go, Letitia. Go, Letitia.
My friends and I are going to the movies.
Yes. Read again.
My friends and I are going to the movies.
Yes. Identify now the nouns in the sentence. We have
Friend.
Okay, good. We have friends. We still have one. I as a pronoun. Okay? I as a pronoun. But there's still one more noun in the sentence, Leticia. We have
Movies.
very good. So friends and movies are the nouns in that sentence. Thank you, Leticia.
You're welcome.
Can I go back now to the NTT kids? Hello, girls. Girls.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Next sentence. Girls, next sentence, please.
My friends, my friend like to read books about fairies. Eh,
A problem, teacher? Is there a problem?
Mr. Main, just leave. Out of a technical bad connection, I think. That's probably the most common thing. Common technical issue.
I think Miss German has to...
I think Germany has bad Wi-Fi.
Yes, I think Orlando.
Hello. Hello, Orlando.
hello guys.
Hello, guys.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Where are you from?
Hello?
Can we know your name?
There are 4 people. There is one name. How did you guys have one name in 4 person?
I don't know. Please, Orlando. I don't know.
I don't know. Kita tidak tahu.
Can you stop coughing, please?
Brother. People stop saying.
You are loud, people. What's happening to your brain, bro?